Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So in this guide, I'm going to show you how to create a game pass and please donate on Roblox, allowing you to receive donations. So let's begin. First, you need to go to Roblox, open the Roblox application, use the search bar in the top and search for please donate. Once you find it, click on the play button, wait for it to fully launch on your computer. After that, go ahead and find a booth that you want to claim. Click on E to claim the specific booth. You might already have a game pass or you might have none. I'll walk you through the process of creating one. So go ahead and open a web browser on your computer. Then go to roblox.com, log into the specific account. Then after, click on create in the top of the screen, which is between Marketplace and Roblox. This should take you to create.roblox.com. Now go to creations from the left-hand side of the screen. Everyone has a default place, usually named your name's place. Click on it. Now on the left-hand menu, you need to select monetization and then click on passes from the drop-down menu. Now click on create pass in the top right corner, which is highlighted in blue color. You can upload an image if you wish, but it's not required. You need to now enter the name of the pass. You can also enter a description if you want. Upload a photo and then click on create pass, which is also highlighted in blue color. Once it has been created, go ahead and click on it again. Now from the left hand side, go to the sales section. Select the toggle of item for sale and then enter the price of your pass. This price will be the donation amount. You can also enable regional pricing and finally click on save changes. Your game pass will now appear on your stand and please donate. You can return to Roblox and go back to please donate now. Claim a stand and you'll see your new donation button right there. You can repeat these steps to add more game passes. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.